Exercise number 10. Arms across the body, sitting up. You will swing your arms across your body from left to right. See illustration. It is identical to an earlier exercise I did while lying on my back. This time, your upper body is turning from side to side as you swing your arms. This exercise is great for your stomach muscles, front and side. It strengthens and stretches your shoulder muscles. Most importantly, you are stretching and strengthening your upper and lower back muscles and flexing your spine. The reason this exercise is so important, whether you are lying down, sitting up, or standing up, is because so many of us will have back problems at some point in our lifetime. This exercise is great for stretching and strengthening the upper and lower back muscles to achieve maximum mobility in the back and spine area. I do this exercise 100 times, counting 1 for each swing of my arms. Do as many as you can comfortably.